This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Oslo Motor Show, Lillestrøm, Nova Spectrum, and Tesla, they have a Model Y, 7-seater. I need to test it. I mean, it's kind of, it's old news. It has existed in US for a long time. We just get the stuff way late in Europe, but how does it work? And then when I try it, oh shit, wait, they play music here. Okay, now no music there. So you see, the way you access it, you pull this up and then it goes up like this. You guys have probably seen this before. Okay, you see, this is already clumsy. I was gonna enter and I use this as a point to hold, right? To grab onto, to get in. Well, it actually doesn't lock in there. So it slides. So you have to be careful. Where do you hold? The Tesla has no handle under here. How do you hold? I just have to cross. This is actually very inconvenient. I don't have anything to grab onto when I try to enter the car. Okay, well, how do I have to go in this way? I cannot go in the reverse way. Yeah, okay. All right. Oh, this is tight. Oh, shit. What? I'm still 173 centimeter, and okay. Do I have any headroom here? No, I don't. I can. Okay, but the problem is that the seat is in this position. What happens if I do this? Oh shit! What the heck, man? I'm even just a short Asian. Can the seat go more forward? I'm really cramped in here now. Right now, this is so cramped. Okay, I found the position. Is it here? But then I sit like this. Okay, this is supposed to work for small Asians, but it is really cramped in the back here. Holy macaroni! There's some headrest here. They are designed that even if they go to the highest position, they don't, hit the back door. But man, I have tried some 7-seaters like a Nio ES8 or some of the other cars, and they actually have Model X, of course. Model X is way spacier than here, but this doesn't move, right? Wait. Oh, okay. So interesting. You can only enter on this side, I believe. The other side cannot do that that acrobat. So then, okay, and then also when I want to go out, what do I grab? You cannot grab this because it's going to go backwards. Can you grab anything here? Can you grab? Look here. I'm trying to get out. Okay. You know Tesla Model S, the old one. They have the jump seat in the back. There you actually put the kids in the trunk, and the kids, yeah, they have limitation, height limitation, weight limitation. Here, I believe there is no. Adults can sit here because adults couldn't sit in the trunk jump seat in the Model S, from what I remember. But it seems like my wife, who is 151 centimeter, she could fit here, but even me, 173, ain't gonna happen. So let me check on the other side. It is like I think, right? You can only enter from the left side. This is just a regular. This is probably just a regular. Yeah. This is only for folding. Wait, what? Why doesn't it fold? Huh? Oh, okay. You have to go back. What? You can even go back? You can go back like that. If you go back like that, then there's literally no leg room for the guy trying to sit there. Yeah, so then, well, as long as you have a person without legs, then they can sit there. But here, no. Well, it means that this can also slide back then, if you need the space. Oh, okay. Oh, you know what? This is the standard leg. I forgot. Yeah, in a regular 5-seater Model X, this is the standard position. So it means that when you want to have someone in the trunk, you need to sacrifice the space for this person, right? So how far does it go? Let me try here. If I slide it into the click there, so it clicks there, so that the person in the back has some leg room. This is what I experienced, right? And then what about the what? What? Are you kidding me? Well, okay, I mean it's okay-ish, but it's not very comfortable. So if you want to carry 7 people in here, you have to sacrifice the comfort on the second and the third row, or I don't know how we do it, but okay, at least now I tried it. I say that if you have kids, that could work, but even kids, they have legs, right? So they need some space. And then adults in the middle here, they have to sacrifice some space. But if you're planning on keeping your kids for longer, then maybe you should get the Model X instead, or I don't know. I'm not sure what the point of this Model Y is, but there's probably a point of it, right? So anyway, yeah, at least I tried it now. I mean the space part, the whole space here is limited because the car is not that big. It's around 4.8 meters only, unlike a Model X that is 5 meters. So there's already a limitation of how much space you have in the length. But I feel like the practical things around it could be better, like some handles, some locking mechanisms so you can climb in and out better, stuff like that. But maybe they can fix that with software update. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.